Hey everybody, it's Zina with the Jackson Hole Outdoor Leadership Institute. Today we're going to be talking about log rolling a patient. When we're log rolling a patient with a solo rescuer, what we want to do first is get the arm up not near the head. Now in order to do that, we have to flip the shoulder joint. So in order to flip the shoulder joint, what we'll do is we'll make the arm into an angle like a chicken wing, kind of like this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to grab under the shoulder and you're going to flip the arm over. Next, you'll extend the arm up towards the head. The arm being here allows for it to be easier to roll the patient as well as to support the head if we're taking spinal precautions. We next want to support the hips and extend the legs out so they're back into anatomical position. Now, when we roll our patient, we want to grab by the hip, kind of that iliac crest area, and then we're going to slide our hand into the head to support, and then we'll roll our patient. Slowly back down. We can bring the arm back into anatomical, and that's our log roll. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, join us for an in-person course where we help you live better in the backcountry.